everything you want, gonna take it from me, yeah.
Oh no!
Jim, you alright? Jim!
Are you okay?
Jim, we're coming. Stay still, buddy.
We need to cut him out of this car.
Let's bring him to the ground here, and we'll strap him in. Well, we're dealing with something possibly with his neck, so we gotta be really gentle as possible.
We're taking care of you, pal. You're gonna be all right.
Getting you to the hospital. You're all set. We need to check you out. Nice work, everybody.
The difficult part for any athlete is that you have a crash. If you're scared of that stuff and you think about it.
When that deal happened out there with Jim, we were all scared, and everybody was worried about him.
He's hurt. He's really hurt. He's in a situation that most of us could be in and dread.
Even when it does go wrong, these guys are mentally so strong.
When it goes bad, it goes bad. There's nothing you can do about it. When you fall down, you got to get up and